Riboti ya waki wa kanitha ya muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1.2 thingira-ini wa iregi iria irakone President William Ruto na kiria augite ni kigina giake kia mubuko ithiete na mbere na kubyubia ciande to kuri muingi indi ni nginya kibaro-ini kia watho mawoni ngurani makirutwo ni mawakiri kuringana na wakiri Willis Otieno thingira wa iregi uri mugunda-ini wa muingi na niguo kanitha gwako ni President akibuthira kigina giake kiumbe ni kwagereirwo gukorwo na mitaratara iria batie kubuthirwo niria ni bamwe na gukurubania mutari wa mathabu ma muingi.
If you are giving a gift, so assuming State House as an institution is receiving a gift, that gift has to be given to the controller of State House, who has to keep it and will declare it and release it to the exchequer.
Otieno ogete kugitweka kanitha uyu ni gwako no kurete kiagago kinene amu wagereirwo gukorwo uri wa muingi inde maita maingi ni marethingira wa iregi ukorogwo urigiceirio no giteri wa gikiro kia iguru na kwogwo tiraithi muingi kugena wiyathi wa kuthie kanitha ucio.
So this church that is building that is donated to the state, is it open to the public? The same public who, when they say they want to visit State House, we see barricades and we see razor wires erected all around the institution. So then how is it a public?
No ona gukiri uguo wakiri Joshua Nyamori ogite gutire na watho ogiretie President ugwakira kanitha aruti a wira thingira-ini wa iregi na mundu o wothe ogienda kuthathaia watheru.
Before President William Ruto moved to State House, there was a bar in State House. People would have drinking parties and doing a machoma in State House. Why are we not banning? Why didn't we ban that before President Ruto walked in? Why is it that it is proper to have a bar in State House, but it is an offense to have a prayer shrine in State House?
Nyamori ogete gutire kindu muingi ukuro nikio tondu tikigena kia muingi kirabuthika gwaka kanitha ucio na kungitwika President uge ni agoka na one gutire bata wa gukorwo na kanitha thingira-ini wa iregi ari na rutha rwa gwika uria angienda.
I do not see anything wrong with that. If another president will come after 2032 and think that and lead Kenyans not to believe in God and think that it is time to bring down all those churches, he will be free to do that, because in any case no public money will have been used in that.
Kuringana na President Ruto kanitha uria uri kuo thingira-ini wa iregi-ini wa mabati akiuga ndari mundu egucungira mubera nyundu wa gwaka kanitha wa gikiro kia cathedral uiganaine na thingira wa iregi.
Na hakuna mtu nitaomba msamaha kwa kujenga kanisa. Tutajenga kanisa ya Mungu.
Kuringana na riboti cia Mũcoro wa kanitha uria urako thingira-ini wa iregi ta uria ikinyeire nyumba cia moboro kanitha cio ugukorwo na cioro thiini wabici na iboero ria keberi-ini ituge nyitu cia kuotira ukiringithania na kanitha uria uri kuo wa mabati. Maya mokete riri muingi utigitwo na ciuria nyingi ugukira macokio kuona thingira wa iregi uthiururukeirio ni makanitha matanyibaire matano. Ngeribotera Inoro TV, Jetago Masi wa Dia wa Muriithi.